Hi, Janine here, and what I wanted to help you out with today is I had a question regarding how do you download the contacts that you have in send out cards and put them into a CSV file or a comma separated value file. And it's so easy to do. All you have to do is go over here in your file, with your send out card menu, just click on relationships. That'll take you to a relationship page. You see that I have 576 relationships there. And so what you can do is hit select all, and what that will do is it will list every single person that you happen to have in your database. You go over here to this side where you have the three little dots and you click on those and you come up with this tiny menu, delete, share, or export as CSV. You click on export. Let me move me out of the way. Then you get this export contact. So they're like, are you sure you want to do this? You hit export again. And then automatically it pops up a window so that you can download it wherever you want onto your hard drive, and you're good to go. So I hope this was helpful to you, and it's super easy, super quick, but it also helps to know what menus and what buttons to click on it. If you have any additional questions, go ahead and give me an email. Talk to you soon.